Okay, everyone, so today's project's going to be easy but super cute. Run to Michael's, grab yourself some of these glass containers. We grabbed a pack of M&Ms, and we filled our first container with the Valentine's colored M&Ms. Before filling the tubes, you're going to want to wash and let them dry. Then we grabbed some conversation heart candies, and we filled our second tube. Now the tubes come with a cork top. And we got the glass tubes from Michael's for $1.50 each. And then we grabbed a pack of hot chocolate with marshmallows. And we filled one tube with the hot chocolate. And then the fourth tube we filled with the mini marshmallows that came with the hot chocolate. And how cute is that? So now that we have all 4 of the tubes filled, we took some Valentine's ribbon that we found from the Dollar Tree, and we just tied them all together. First, we made a knot. And then we tied a little bow in it. Once we had our bow set, we just cut the extra from the bottom. And now we put that aside. I had some white tissue paper on hand, so I folded it in half a few times to get a nice small square. Then I got this Valentine's mug. I fit the tissue paper down inside and I stood the glass tubes inside. And now you have yourself this really cute Valentine's Day gift to give to someone special. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to head over to our YouTube channel, subscribe while you're there, and check out some of our other tutorials. Have a great day.